What if I told you today that the biggest thing standing between you and success is not about your lack of talent or opportunity? It's about your self-doubt. I've heard many people, they always keep saying that, सर ये तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ये तो मैं सर कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ, ये तो मेरे लिए बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, and many more excuses. We always keep trying to justify our ground, but in the reality we never try. My dear friend, from where this self-doubt comes and how we should deal with it, let's learn today in our Inspire to Impact Journey's 14th episode, where I will be sharing with you some insightful information that what are the major causes, what are the major regions from where these self-doubts comes from, and how we should overcome with it. So basically, self-doubt grows with three important regions. The first important region is our past failures. We tried something and didn't succeed, and now we have a fear of trying again. The second important region is comparisons. We always looking at the successful people, that they are growing, they are the winning persons in their life, but not me. And the third important region is criticism. Maybe it's not your voice, it's someone else's words, but we are taking these words too long. Believe me, my dear friend, none of these will define you. I am going to share today the 4 mantras how we should deal with these inner emotions, or how we should deal with these self-doubts to get succeed. So the first mantra is challenge your negative thoughts. So the next time when you think that, or maybe your head is hearing the voice that I can't do this, ask why not. The second mantra is focus on your strength. You got unique strength, my dear friend. Own them. Or if you are thinking that somewhere you are lacking, just build on them. Just work on your improvement areas. And the third mantra is embrace mistakes. Failure doesn't mean that you are weak. Failure means that you are trying. And the fourth mantra is take small steps. Confidence builds with every step, every action in our life. So take small steps and you will win big. So what is my message in our today's podcast is that self-doubt may be loud, but you are more stronger. Confidence doesn't mean that you never doubt. It means that you don't let your doubt stops you. I hope you have enjoyed my today's learnings with this 14th podcast. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel Inspire to Impact. See you soon in the next series of our Inspire to Impact journey, and until then, bye bye my dear friend.